We're beginning our journey on the catamaran. We need to find boat who named Rome Streamer, the same like Rome. We find our boat, but now someone cleaning. Catamaran looks very beautiful. Now we need only sails. We're looking how clean our boat, and we want to see more what we have in this boat. It's nice chairs and steering wheel. Well, shall we go to the wall? Now cool it will be to see our catamaran in the evening. Catamaran brand is Bali, 4.2 feet. And here is a sailor standing on the desk and dancing a little bit. And so, like circus performers, we go on deck. Someone comes with motorcycle. Hey, our food is coming. And now we have a lot of people inside. That is what nightlife on a yacht looks like. Our whole team gathered and got acquainted. The morning come, and this morning is Easter. Greek people says Christos Anesti. We just come from church. We will celebrate Easter. So, happy Easter! Greece and many yachts here. Now it's season and a lot of people rented yacht. A lot of sailing boats with France flags, but it's a company who rented sailing boats in Greece. It's charter company, Yacht Dreams. A little bit correct, the company is called Dream Yacht, from France. And that's how the yacht departs. Here we see not sailing boat, but super yacht with motor engine. Oh, here we see Catamaran, this beautiful boat. Here is a group of young people who also rent a yacht. Here we see our boat, and here it's more bigger catamaran. It's 59 feet, very big, very expensive. 1.5 million about. But we have our catamaran, it's cost about 500,000, about $500,000. Our company celebrate Easter. We're beginning our voyage on catamaran. We're looking for a way out of the port. Our skipper Capitan is professional man.
Сейчас задует.
We have found a way out. Now we see a red fire way. Here's our way.
Какие-то стоят как фарватеры. Красные, зеленые.
And then we see a green fireway. And here we see Athens.
Афины.
Athens in the distance.
Вставляем Марину.
We leave the port. Our team is very happy. Everyone is waiting for adventure. I asked my wife how she feels. She says she's very happy and she feels very good. We're setting up a sail. Now our catamaran has sails. We managed to sail.
Сейчас посмотрим, как нам даст
We see
Серфинга.
motorboat who do big wave
волны.
and we waiting wave.
И
Now we see wave, but it's just small wave. Our captain, he show for us motor engine. This is Yanmar motor from Netherlands. These motors are installed on tractor and yacht. I'm sitting behind the wheel and wishing everyone a happy Easter. And I send greetings to everyone from Greece.
Happy Easter! Jesus alive!
My time for adventure has come. I'm looking for my wife. Where is it? Where? She is here. I'm very happy and glad to see you, my.
як тут едет.
We dropped anchor near the city of Aegina. We will approach the shore with our inflatable boat. That's how look our dinghy. We're going to the shore. 5 people in one boat. Young Greek people extremely ride on motorcycle.
Ездит на мотоциклах. Ходим себе по...
We walk in Aegina city and we see cat who's guard the bus.
Охраняет вход автобус. А вот и
And here we see horses taxi.
повозки. Такси здешнее. Какая же красота.
In the island we see very beautiful old trees, juniper. That looks very interesting.
Выглядит классно.
I think they very old trees.
Много мотоциклистов. Паром.
Also we see a ferry
И вдалеке стоит наш
and ours way.
карта.
Now we see maps of island Aegina and interesting places.
Так вот порт выглядит.
And we see a lot of old fishing boats. And also we see city sport.
Лодки.
Here is motorboat for renting,
Даже 30-сильный.
small engine, but you can rent.
Как же классно выглядит.
Greek church in the port.
Церквушка.
And we go inside to look.
Зайдем вовнутрь.
Let's go inside, take out our hats, and pray for Jesus. We say thank you. Thank you for everything in this journey.
Господи, спаси и помоги. Нашли якорь на берегу.
We found an anchor off the shore and think we'll take it our catamaran.
Может, оставим.
But I see this child needs this anchor more.
Бывший маяк.
This is a lighthouse or fireway.
Да, красный.
I think it's fireway. And there is our catamaran in the night.
Команда ночная возвращается.
Our
к
teams
катамарану.
returns to the boat.
Десантники.
It looks like a marine soldiers landing.
Да?
We come back and see a catamaran with lightning and catamaran without lightning.
Домашний.
But it's our catamaran.